So hey there, welcome back to our channel Code Conflux. So in this video we are going to see how to install and set up Python in your computer. This is our first video from our brand new series Python tutorial for beginners. So make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and set that bell icon to all so that you will never miss a video from us. Your support for this series is going to make this series reach a big height. So come on, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. So this is my monitor screen, you can see it here. So now let's go to the Google Chrome. So after coming to Google Chrome, just type here Python and you should click on the first link. Now you can see the Python's latest version here, 3.11.5. So just go to the downloads and you will see here for Windows. Click on this and it will start to download. So after coming to the folder, you will see the setup here. Just double click on it and you will see that install now. Click on this, click on add python.exe to path so that it will automatically add your Python to the path. Just click on installation. It will just show a dialog box. Just click on yes. So it is gonna take some time. So once the setup is done, you can just minimize everything, click on close, and now type cmd in a search bar. You get the command prompt window. Now just type python space minus double minus version. So you will get here Python version 3.11.5. So this shows that you have been successful in installing your Python in your computer. You can even launch Python launcher, which is here, and you can even type your code here. So it even works, but we should do it in a professional way. So we just need a code editor for this. For a programmer or developer, writing code in a professional way is very must. So to write a code in a professional way, we are going to use many professional code editors. One of them is VS Code. So now let's install it. So we have come into our monitor screen. This is our monitor screen. Let's go to the Chrome. Here let's type VS Code and you will see a link over here. Just click on it. So you'll be seeing this page, and here just click on download for Windows, and the setup will be downloaded. Once the setup is downloaded, you can install it like any other software. So over here mine is already installed, so I'm just gonna open it. So now let's open our VS Code. Very first it will ask some themes and like a small setup. You can set it up on your own. Now we are going to create a first Python file. Here click on new file. Here you can see Python file. So here you can type print hello world. So this print statement will print everything that is like given in its parameter. Here I'm just going to type hello world. So I'm saving this. Once it is saved, you can just click on the run button here, over here. So it is gonna run, and this is the output we get. In VS Code, we can add extension to our code editor, which takes our coding experience to the next level. So come on, let's see which are the extensions which I'm using currently. Let's go to the extensions. Here you can see the installed ones. I'm using Autumn 1 Dark theme, which is the theme I'm using right now. It's kinda cool and it will give us a shuttle experience of programming. And I use this ice hot. This extension is for importing, sorting the inputs. Then I have Prettier. This Prettier code formatter will make our code in a structured way, and it makes our code to look beautiful. This is one I'm using. I always recommend Prettier. And for Python, I'm using Pylance and Python extensions. If they are not installed in your VS Code, you can just install it by going to the extensions. So that's it guys for today's video. In this video, we have seen how to install and how to set up our VS Code for programming Python code. So in the next video, we'll see about Python's basic syntax and we'll go through them step by step. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So thank you for watching guys. Bye. See you in the next video.